Good morning, all of you. I Razia Pathan from Gnanmanji Vidyapit, standard third. So, students, in the previous lecture में हमारा जो चैप्टर है मल्टीप्लिकेशन सम्स, राइट, वो हम लोगों ने इन दैट चैप्टर स्किप 2 and 3 digit multiplication. So, in that chapter, already we learn about the multiplication sums by the 1 digit number and the 2 digit number, 2 digit by the 2 digit number, right? Now in that we already we completed that worksheet number 18 तक हमारा still worksheet number 18 तक हमारा complete हो चुका है, right? Now today we'll start worksheet number 19. That worksheet is a multiplication practice. So उसमें क्या है, ऑलरेडी जो हम लोगों ने लर्न किया वो वही सारी चीजें. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है वो वर्कबुक में आप लिखोगे इन वर्कशीट नंबर 19 पेज नंबर 23 वर्कबुक में लिखोगे. आफ्टर दैट क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड दो है मैथ द फॉलोइंग, यू हैव टू राइट इन द वर्कबुक ओनली. बट द third question is multiplication the following in your notebook. So in that what you have to do, in that A to N sums are there, so you have to write A to G or A to H sums. A से लेके H तक के sums वो आप लोगों को आपकी नोटबुक में करने हैं, ठीक है. Now we'll start multiplication word problems. So in that word problems, what we have to do, we have to follow some steps. जैसा हम लोग एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शंस में हम स्टेप्स थे वो फॉलो कर रहे थे, राइट. Here also we have to, that steps are there, 5 steps we have to follow it and we'll get the answers easily. So we'll start worksheet number 20 page number 24. Worksheet number 20 page number 24, we'll start that first. Okay everyone? Okay. Okay students, we'll start worksheet number 20 multiplication word problem. So in that page number 24, here is a one example. There are the 127 pencils in a box. How many pencils will be there in total in the 9 boxes? Okay, now एक बॉक्स में 127 पेंसिल्स है. सो 9 बॉक्सेस में कितनी पेंसिल्स होगी वो हमें फाइंड करना है, ठीक है. सो इन दैट स्टेप 1 इज हियर वी हैव टू 5 स्टेप्स. In that first steps is the N, numbers and keywords. First of all we have to find the numbers. So here number is 127 pencils and 9 boxes. This one is a keywords. After that second one is ask. What they are asked to us, how many pencils will be there in the total in a 9 boxes. So यहाँ पे हमें फाइंड करना है कितनी पेंसिल्स है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज बी, दैट मीन्स ड्रॉ. देन हियर व्हाट वी हैव टू रिटन 127 9 times. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वी हैव टू राइट हियर 9 times. The next step is the operation. O means operation. By the अंडरस्टैंडिंग टोटल मीन्स द आइदर एडिशन और मल्टीप्लीकेशन. टोटल का मीनिंग यहाँ पे क्या है, आइदर वो एडिशन होगा आइदर देन वो मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा. सो वी हैव टू डू मल्टीप्लीकेशन. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू मल्टीप्लीकेशन हियर. बाय द ड्रॉ वी कैन ऑल्सो सी दैट 127 पेंसिल्स आर देयर इन द रिपीटेड 9 times. नाउ सी, यहाँ पे हमने जो ड्रॉ किया उसमें कितनी टाइम्स 127 पेंसिल्स है वो रिपीट हो रही है 9 times. ओके, सो वी नीड मल्टीप्लाई 127 पेंसिल्स 9 times टू फाइंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ द पेंसिल्स, हमें क्या करना है 120 पेंसिल्स जो है 9 टाइम्स हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है, देन विल गेट द आंसर्स. So in that next steps is the step 5 solution. Solve is there 127 into 9. 9 sevens are 63. Write it here 3 and 6 is a carryover. 9 twos are 80. 80 plus 6. 80 then 90, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Write it here 4. 2 is a carryover. 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2, 9 then 11 and 12. So here answer is 1143 pencils. How many pencils are there? 1143 pencils. Now here is some sums are here. Solve the word problems given the below in the notebooks. Now here is a no any place, so that this word problems we have to write in our notebook. Now here a basket of egg contain 12 eggs. How many eggs will be there in a basket? First one sum. In that we have to follow the steps. Step 1. Number, we have to identify the number. So in this questions number is 12 eggs and 17 basket. 12 egg and 17 basket. Step 2. Ask. Step 2 is ask. So here is a how many eggs will be there. Will be there in 17 baskets. How many eggs will be there in a 17 basket? Step 3. Draw. We have to draw 3 boxes. In a first box we have to write 12. Multiply sign we have to do it and 17. थर्ड बॉक्स यहाँ पे हम ब्लैंक्स रखेंगे बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव अ आइडिया व्हाट इज द आंसर. स्टेप 4 ऑपरेशन. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो हियर वी हैव टू राइट मल्टीप्लिकेशन. Step 5 solution. So here we have to write 1000, 100, tens and ones. After that we have to write 12 into 17. 7 twos are 40. 1 is a carry over. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 1 8. Cross it out here. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 ones are 1. Make them here plus sign. 4 as it is. 8 plus 2 10. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 1 2. So our answer is 204. Our answer is 204. So we have to write here answer. There will be 270 eggs, 204 eggs in 17 basket. This one our answer. Now look at these sums, everyone. First of all, look at first 4 steps. Now look at this. Here we have to write 204. Next sum is the cost of one bat is 245 rupees. What is the total cost of the 7 bats? So here we have to follow the steps. In that we have to write here step 1, number is rupees 245, cost of bat, then here total number of the total 7, total number of bat. Okay, after that we have to write here step 2. In the step 2 we have to write ask, what they are asked. So what is the total cost? What they are asked? What is the total cost? What is the total cost? Question. Step 3. Draw. Step 3 is a draw. So here we have to draw 3 boxes. (245) multiplication sign, and here we have to write 7. Step 4. In a step 4 we have to write O. O means operation. What we have to do? We have to do multiplication. Step 5. Solution. Here we have to write 1000, 100, tens and ones. 245 multiplication sign, write it here 7. 7 5s are 35, write it here 5. 3 is a carryover. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3, 29, 30, 31. Write it here 1. 3 is a carryover. Seven twos are 40. 7 twos are 40. 40 plus 2, 40 plus 3, 50, 60, 70. Write it here 70. So here answer, the total cost of 7 beds is rupees 1750. 1750. Now what you have to do, everyone? Look at this First, look at this. Here answer is rupees 1750. Now look at these sums and write it down in your notebook. Now, next sum is there are 25 fruits on a tree. How many fruits will be there on the 16th tree? So here we have to do the sum. Step 1. In a step 1 we have to write numbers. 25 fruits. 25 fruits and 16 trees. Step 2. Ask how many fruits will be there on 16 trees. Okay. Step 3 is draw. So here we have to draw 3 boxes. First of all, we have to write 25, multiplication sign 16. थर्ड ब्लॉक से वो ब्लैंक्स रहेगा. Then step 4, operation. Always we have to do multiplication here. Multiplication, what we have to do? Multiplication. Step 5. Step 5 is solution. So here we have to write 1000, 100, tens and ones. 25 into 60. 6 5s are 30. 3 is a carryover. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3. 12 then 12 plus 3. 30, 40, 50. Write it here 50. Cross it out 1. 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. 5 plus 0 as it is. 5 plus 5 10. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. So here answer is 4. So we have to write here answer 400 fruits. 400 fruits will be there on 16th tree. 16 trees. Now look at here we have to write 400. Now look at the sums and write it down in your notebook. So So students, today we completed worksheet number 20. In that worksheet, multiplication word problem is there. Here is the three sums. आप लोगों को क्या करना है, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट इन योर नोटबुक. यू मस्ट बी राइट इन योर नोटबुक. आप लोगों को अपनी नोटबुक में लिखना है. एंड जैसे आपका राइटिंग वर्क कंप्लीट हो जाता है, यू हैव टू सबमिट द होमवर्क बिफोर 3 o'clock इन अ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. और इसके आंसर्स भी जो भी है वो मैं आप लोगों को व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में सेंड कर दूंगी. सो यू हैव टू कॉपी इट आउट इजीली. ओके एवरीवन, बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे.